question on artificial intelligence. Hereafter, UPSC will be looking into artificial intelligence very strongly. So please think about this. Application of AI, everything they will start asking now. Okay, then see, social media is inherently a selfish medium. And one more thing, when they ask you this, you can take any stand. Okay, you can take any stand, yes or no, or you can say, or you, for example, if you want to, I think Manu last time asked, I think, can you conclude at the last? Yes, in essay, if you are taking a question like this, social media is inherently a selfish medium, means it is not a selfish medium. You should say it is not a selfish medium, but it has its problems. So that is the line you have to take. You should, I would always prefer, do not say, yes, it is a problem. Is PPP a problem? Yes, it is a problem. Don't, because it will not give a positive outlook to the examination or examiner. I will show you one essay where my friend did the same mistake. That is the essay which we are going to discuss, and my first essay. So my friend did this mistake of jumping from this here to here, whether yes or no. He was confused. You should be concluding in the first line itself. This is my story. What story I am going to tell? So see, the next question. See, cyberspace and blessing or curse. So same. What is this? Same. You think about this. Same. Okay. Then there is a question on digital economy, source of inequality. Okay. Can technology replace man? Okay, so this is the question actually I wrote. This was my second essay. This is the essay I wrote for 22 pages. So science and technology is the panacea. Panacea means is the solution, or you can say solution, or you can say science and technology is the tool for growth and security of the nation. This is what we will discuss now. Or any other question also we can discuss. And this question, education, as I told you, this is the question I would choose. Destiny of a nation is shaped in classroom. This also we will discuss now. I will tell you. But education without values, same is rather same thing. You think about all these. This time the question was neglect of primary healthcare and education in India are the reasons for its backwardness. I will tell you how to approach this question, because this question actually I left. I did not take this question, which I should have taken. I would have gotten better marks if I had taken this question, because choice of question, as I said, is more important, and choosing a question like education will help you in increasing your mark. So this question I took, but the point is that you see this question, neglect of primary health care and education in India are the reason for its backwardness. If you accept, for example, yes, you start the whole thing. Examiner, you are writing for an IAS officer. Okay, wow. Examiner will think, we have been neglecting all these years. Is it why we are neglecting? You will get a low marks. But how you should write means you should write primary and primary and health care have not been neglected. Okay, not the. Okay, neglect. He can say it is backward. Whatever the question say, you understand this one point, please, because not being neglected. Okay, but the point is that yes, there are some problems. There are some problems for its backwardness, which we will see. Ada you should be, but we have not neglected. That you should prove. We have not neglected. We have given money for a very long time. We have given teachers training, everything. I am saying, even if the question is in a very worded in a wrong or a negative fashion, you should in the examination all change that. Your story should be, we have not neglected it, but in our implementation, sir, there is a problem. That is what your story should be. Okay, if I ask you in interview also, so do you think, yes, actually, yes, exactly, Monica, exactly. like demonetization. If they asked me in interview demonetization, whether it was they asked me the person worded the question like this: demonetization was a failure, right? He worded. So can I say yes, it is a failure and come out? So the administration, that is what last class also I think I told you this. But the point is that we should word it in a manner. Sure, it was very good. Yes, it is a very good vision thing. But the small implementation problem is there. That is how you have to address. Okay, in the same way you have to address these questions also. For example, see, fulfillment of, can you write this? Fulfillment of new women in India is a myth. Yes, it is a myth. You think about it. Yes, it is a myth. No, it cannot happen. No, not possible. You should not tell like that. What you should say is, it is not a myth. It is not a myth. Okay, not a myth. New what this was also one of the essay I wrote actually. It is not a myth, but there are some hurdles. But some hurdles are there, which we have to remove. To dream about this new woman. So it is not a myth. No. How can you say it is a myth? It is not a myth. It will happen, but some problems are there. When we remove that, it will happen. So you should tell the story in such a way. The content of the story I will tell you, but I am just telling you, when you are starting the essay, or for example, rise of artificial intelligence, see, leads to threat of jobless future and better, or in this, where you choose, you should choose better. Choose the essay as in a positive direction. And when you are going towards that direction, that is where the examiner will be like, he will be reading or she will be reading a very positive kind of essay, rather than saying, for example, neglect of primary healthcare and education in India are reasons for its back. Yes, you can write actually 100 pages, same thing you can write. Neglected only, yes, there can be, for example, in Bihar and Uttar Pradesh, you see what the kind of neglect they have done till now. The problem is still now, actually. Till now, the problem is there, and they have not been able to improve the literacy of women, or a very bad rate. But will you will you start with that and give a bad name to the country? No. You should start with, for example, what are we have been giving only. But implementation, there is a problem, you have to start. So that is the story you have to say. So next thing, see. So for example, 50 goals in Olympics. This actually this year I wrote. That is this year I wrote the other question. So I wrote this question. Or sorry, this was actually 2015. I have marked it. This is 2015. This was not 2014. I think this is 2015. This tourism also 2015, I think. So 50 goals in India, can this be a reality for India? Will you say no? You should say yes only. Actually, it is very hard. For example, I don't know when they will have this 50 goals and all, but you should say yes. But we'll see how. This is the question I wrote actually. Tourism, can this be a next big thing in India? Yes, it is. Absolutely, yes, it is. No second thoughts. No second thoughts. Yes, it is the next big thing. But it has a small problem, but it has some problems. If we remove that, we can have a complete thing. So that is how you have to write. And next point, see this dream essay keeps coming. See, all these are dreams. Actually, 50 goals is a dream. Dreams which should not let India sleep. This is one of the essay I wrote, so which we can also see. But and see the second, customary morality cannot be a guide to modern India. True. Old moral values cannot be guiding our country. So this is there. And this ethics, see this, all this is related to Gandhiji. Be the change you want to be. With greater power comes greater responsibility. Character of an institution is reflected in the leader. See, all these are actually Gandhiji's code. Need brings greed. So there is actually for everyone's need, but there is no for nothing for everyone's greed is a quote by Gandhiji. So see this. With great power comes great responsibility. All character of an institution is, all this are, see, values. This is Immanuel Kant's, right? Values are not what humanity is, what humanity ought to be, or there should be universal values. That is the quote actually. And this also I will tell you small changes in introductions are there. So how to use various introductions, I will tell you. Quick but steady wins the race. This is the story. What, see, the question is the story of that tortoise and hare. This is the question. But how to change this philosophical question? Tortoise and hare, the chase which they had in the race, is a philosophical thing in life. So that, if you see how we can have. So wisdom finds truth, good life, yes.